Welcome back to Curiosity Craze. Today, we're diving into the wild world of predators that punch way above their weight. We'll meet animals, some small, some surprisingly tiny, that regularly hunt prey far bigger than themselves. Let's start with the Burmese python. This massive snake can swallow animals like deer and even alligators whole. It uses powerful constriction to suffocate its prey before the epic meal begins. Next up is the African crowned eagle. This bird of prey may not look enormous, but it's been known to hunt monkeys and small antelopes. Its talons can crush bones, making it one of the strongest eagles pound for pound. Then we have the wolverine. Don't be fooled by its small bear-like appearance. Wolverines can take down caribou much larger than themselves, thanks to ferocious strength and relentless stamina. Speaking of the ocean, the orca, also known as the killer whale, hunts seals, sharks, and even whales bigger than itself. They rely on teamwork and high intelligence to coordinate complex attacks. Even insects join this list. Army ants can overwhelm animals hundreds of times their size by sheer numbers and strategy. They strip prey in minutes, showing that size isn't everything in the food chain. These predators prove that nature isn't always fair. Sometimes cunning and power outweigh size. Which one surprised you the most? Tell us in the comments below. Disclaimer: this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. We don't promote harm to animals in any way, just exploring fascinating facts about nature.